Hi, my name is Ruthie Scott, and my three assets are one, I am a helpful and supportive person. I am a team player, and I am flexible. Starting with me being a helpful, supporting person, one thing I can say about me is that I always try to turn a negative into a positive. Um, I try to encourage um, those who need that push. Um, I I'm there for all of you who are taking this course along with others. Um, and juggling full time employment and families. I definitely can relate. Um, so, um, if anyone ever needs to vent, I'm the person you can vent to. Um, I'm also a team player. Um, I enjoy working um, with others and working in groups. So I look forward to partnering with some of you as we knock down some of um, these assignments. And lastly, flexibility. Um, I adjust well to change. So when it comes to groups and having to make contact with one another by phone or however we choose to communicate. I'm very flexible and are willing to adjust my own schedule. Well, it was nice um, chatting. I look forward to getting to know um, the rest of you as I continue to review the videos, and I hope that what I have shared is important to you. Thank you.